Your stomach makes noise even when empty. Muscles in your gut constantly squeeze food along. This squeezing is called peristalsis. It never fully stops between meals. Empty stomach walls contract rhythmically every hour. Air and fluid get pushed through together. That movement creates the rumbling sound. Your brain triggers this cycle automatically. It signals the body to prepare for food. Hunger hormones activate the stomach muscles harder. The noise grows louder without food inside. Food absorbs the sounds during a meal. Doctors call this noise borborygmy. It confirms your digestive system works perfectly. A silent gut can actually signal problems.